Well, today we intended to make a bail application. Unfortunately, the prosecution did not disclose several documents on us despite our request 2 weeks ago. It is quite disappointing. We are taken by surprise. This is something that I have never experienced in all my years of practice. They have chosen not to disclose certain documents. They have also indicated their reasons. But the court, in its own assessment of the matter, has indicated that it was not satisfied with those reasons. And so we are indeed, I would say, ambushed. And so until the next date.
Was there a request for the matter to be transferred to the Home Circuit Court?
The Crown has indicated that they intend to have the matter transferred on the 16th of September.
Okay.
But in keeping with our obligations to our client, we had to do what we had to do, which is to wait on the proper documentation before making an application.
Can you say how the case has been hampered for the
Well,
defense?
most certainly we do not have a full view of the matter. And so it would have been irresponsible of us to proceed.
Anybody else?
All right.